Beautiful girl, you're a lovely picture, beautiful girl. You're a gorgeous mixture of all that lies under the big blue skies. My heart cries, beautiful girl. You're a dazzling eyeful, beautiful girl. I could never trifle if I had you. You'd be my dream come true. There may be blondes and brunettes that are hard to resist. You surpass them like a queen. You've got those lips that were meant to be kissed, and you're over sweet 16. Oh, beautiful girl, what a gorgeous creature, beautiful girl. Let me call a preacher, what can I do but give my heart to you?
A beautiful girl is like a great work of art. She's stylish, she's chic, and she also is a smart. For lounging in her boudoir, she likes a plain pajama. Her cloak is trimmed with monkey fur to add a touch of drama. Anyone for tennis? Here's what you should wear. Make a date for dinner at 8 and to show your savoir-faire. To have them staring at the beach. Be modern and arty, but be soft and feminine if you're at a garden party. Paris insists a tiny cloche will make Madame demure. But at tea time, Madame must be loaded with allure. A string of pearls worn with tweed, delightful paradox. You'll steal the act at the opera if you're dazzling and dyed fox. Black is best when you're in court. It makes you dignified. But white is right when you hear the organ play. Here comes the bride. Beautiful girl, for you I've got a passion, beautiful girl. You're my queen of fashion, I'm in a whirl over my beautiful girl.
For lounging in her boudoir, this simple plain pajama. Her cloak is trimmed with monkey fur to lend a dash of drama. Anyone for tennis? Well, this will make them cringe. And you'll knock 'em dead at dinner if your gown just drips with fringe. You simply can't be too modest at the beach or by the pool. And in summertime, it's organdy that'll keep you fresh and cool. You'd never guess what loud applause this cunning hat receives. And you'd never dream the things that you could hide within these sleeves. A string of pearls with a suit of tweed. It started quite a riot. And if you must wear fox to the opera, Dame Fashion says dye it. Black is best when you're in court. The judge will be impressed. But white is right when you're a bride and you want to be well dressed. Beautiful girl, for you I've got a passion, beautiful girl. You're my queen of